Welcome to my video. Hello, I want to show you this great Western which I got today at Chesterfield Market. Only £10. I walked away from it. I should have did a little bargaining, but I realised it's too late. I could have got £6 for it, maybe, or £8 for it, but I think £10 is quite cheap enough. But there you go. I don't really think, it's always afterthought. When you buy, when you buy these things, you think, oh damn, I should have bought that, done this or done that. But then there you go. Right, let's have a look. See a bit for the inside there. It's Great Western number 101. Hornby, made in Great Britain, it says. The buffers are good. There aren't springs. Sometimes that's the chimney there. That's the thing there. Those are the two little whistles there. Now this is very similar to the Southern 3102, which is incidentally, if you look backwards, 2013. So that's when I got this one from Hornby. So let's compare them both. One's dark green, one's lighter green. The Southern's slightly lighter green. They're both a 040 engine, which means no wheels at the front. They've got 4 wheels in the middle, no wheels at the back. The only thing different is between them is one's slightly dark green and the other one's lighter green. Both been painted red at the front there. This one seems to have lost its little hook on the front. That's the Great Western. They both seem to have the same bars. Oh, this one, the Great Western, seems to have lost its little coal thing there. On this one hasn't. So I mean, that's what you get, these little things that go missing when you buy from the market. That's two things that I said missing. So it's this little hook from the front and this little coal thing from the back. So the only thing left to do now is to test the Great Western number 101 and to see how well she goes. Let's see how she goes. Might need a bit of a push. Seems to be going quite well. Okay, let's add some cabbages. As I've pointed out, there was no coal. The coal section was missing. I've added a coal wagon and 2 cabbages. So let's see how she goes now. I think she needs a bit of a push every time I start her. I can smell a bit of a burning smell. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Quite a good little engine, apart from needs a bit of a push to get it going. But I think you'd find that on lots of old engines. So I hope you like what you see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.